Good evening and welcome to 360DigiTMG channel. And I want to congratulate all the people who have joined here because you all have chosen the right career path, that is into data. You might want to become a data specialist, whether it is data analyst, data scientist, data engineer, right? So if you have chosen your career interest as something related to data, then I would like to congratulate because you're on the right path. This is the time, or in fact, we are in the world, living in the world of data, right? So if you are in the same trend, if you're choosing the same trending aspect, then you'll definitely build a good thing. My name is Sharat, and I'm one of the directors with Innodatatics, and I also work with 360DigiTMG as a vice president. And here I'm joining today in front of you all to announce or to explain you the free internship program that we are launching. It's been going on for some time now. And if you have missed the opportunity, then this is the opportunity that you might want to grab. The free internship program, as I said, free. You need to understand, right? We are not charging anything for this particular internship program. The free internship program goes for 30 days. I'll talk about more details about it. And in this 30 days, you will be focusing on learning the most required and in-demand skill in the space of data science, which is deployment of a machine learning model. A lot of you have already completed your course, whether it is an academic course or whether as part of your upskilling, you have got trained in some kind of a professional training institution. Yeah, well, it could be any possible way. But if you are familiar with data science concepts and if you're familiar with machine learning models, then half of your battle is won. But have you also looked into how do you productionize this particular solution that you are going to develop? Because in the interviews, this is a question that, right, will trouble you. And interviewers, in fact, the organizations are looking at this specific skill. You're trained, but you're not able to crack the interview. Why? Because you are not aware of the skills that are required for deploying the application that you have developed. Right? You're training the model, but after that, what? And this program, a 30-day free internship program, will give you a path to understand the required skills after what you do from your training model. Yeah, after training, what you do. Now, let me introduce 360DigiTMG. 360DigiTMG is also a training institution, and the parent company is Innodatatics. So, in association with Innodatatics, we are launching this particular free internship program from 360DigiTMG. Now, you can go through the entire website, but what I would want you people to highlight here, right? You want to focus on this. The career transitions, or you can say success stories. We have more than 500 plus students who are placed in big companies. You can click on that and you can scroll down here. You can get the PDF version of the students' details, our alumni details, who have successfully got placed in companies like Deloitte, Capgemini, HCL, right? You can talk about Cognizant, Factly. We also have people working in TCS, right? Deloitte I've already mentioned. So you can see a lot of reputed big companies are there listed out here. I'm proud of all the students that I have personally trained, and right, they are representing 360DigiTMG because they are hard workers. Right? They have really put their hard work into the right practice. And that's how they were able to crack the interviews and successfully got placed into all these big companies. Right? So what is that they have done? Right? What differently they did? If you want to learn all these interesting points directly from these success stories, people have successfully got placed, you might want to connect to them over either LinkedIn or their success stories are already there on YouTube. This is our YouTube channel, 360DigiTMG, and you can come here and see all the success stories. Right? We invite them, people who are willing to come online live and people who want to share their experiences, we welcome them. And they come up live on YouTube and they share their experiences. Right? What did they prepare? How did they prepare? What kind of questions they were faced in, they had to face in the interview? What they're currently doing? Where the industry is trending towards? All this kind of information is something that you will be able to get from these sessions. Not just this, there are a lot of interesting stuff on our YouTube channel. You might want to go through this. Okay, a lot of interesting videos are there. Deployment series is that you can go through the deployment videos, these videos, which will explain you how you can deploy machine learning models after training. Right? So go through these videos and you'll be definitely getting all the skills that are required to crack the interview. Now let me elaborate a little more details about the program. As I said, it is a 30 days internship program. This is initiated as part of the CSR program, community service, and no money is charged at all. Though there is one condition, only one condition. And the condition is that you should already be familiarized with machine learning concepts. You should be familiar with Python programming language. Whatever are required from a training of a machine learning model, you should be familiar with. That's the only prerequisite things, because in this particular program, you will be only working on deployment and post-deployment activities. You'll not be doing the training of a machine learning model. If you're new to the machine learning world, and if you want to do internship where you will be dealing with a business problem, taking in the business problem, trying to collect the data, and then do the machine learning model training, then you have to join another internship program, which is generally scheduled on Fridays. We have the same program scheduled at 7 p.m. today. You can also join the YouTube live for that particular session. You'll get more details if you attend the session. So you might want to subscribe to the YouTube channel and then get all the notifications so that you don't miss this kind of sessions. Now, the 30 days duration that we are talking about is split into two segments, two phases. The first phase will be a 20 days learning phase. Now, you need to understand that we are only focusing on deployment and post-deployment activities. Okay, very, very important keynote you'll have to remember. These 20 days, you would be revising things which you are already familiar with, along with the deployment related activities. All right, so 20 days would be your training phase. In this 20 days learning phase or training phase, we will be sharing you certain videos. 6 a.m., 12 p.m. and 6 p.m. There will be 3 videos that will be posted on a particular day. All you have to do is go through the recorded videos, go through these videos and revise things. Of course, the 6 p.m. thing, if you're not familiar with deployment, you'll be learning new things. So go through that, learn new things, explore it. And at 9 p.m., we will ask questions pertaining to these videos in our LinkedIn page. Right? LinkedIn also has very, very interesting points. You might want to make a note of all these interesting things that happen on LinkedIn. I will give you certain examples on what kind of projects we do. This information is also posted on the 360DigiTMG website. So you'll be getting chance to work on these kind of projects. So attend the interview or attend the quiz, participate in that at 9 p.m. and you will have to write your answers in the comments section. It's not MCQs that we will be asking. No, MCQs is very easy. You randomly select anything and drop them. That is not the objective. We want you to go through the recorded videos and learn. Only then there will be an effective usage of your time. And we don't want you to waste your time. Serious learners will definitely go through the videos and respond on LinkedIn. So if you're a serious learner, then use the opportunity. And after the learning phase, then comes the actual hands-on phase. Whatever you have learned and practiced in these 20 days, you would have to deploy that or implement that in the next coming 10 days. After 20 days, you'll have next 10 days dedicated for that. We will have our MLOps expert. I will also be there. Right? We will be assigning you an expert who has, of course, worked on multiple projects right, from Innodatatics side. And this person, this mentor will be guiding you on what you have to do. Right? So this is the plan for your 30 days. There will be an everyday meeting from Monday to Friday. A strict 15 minutes meeting will be there, and you'll have to attend that meeting and showcase what you have done and what are the various challenges that you have faced while you're doing that task. And if you have any challenges, right, you'll be discussing on those and how to solve them. And then what you are supposed to do for the next 24 hours. These are the 3 points that we will be discussing in this meeting. That's all. And strictly 15 minutes we will spend. So you'll not waste your time as well, right? So productive discussion happens. And then we want you to utilize your entire 24 hours day to actually work on the projects and learn something important. We will be discussing more about what exactly project is that you're going to work on, how you have to work on, right? What are the various tools that you'll be using? All those things we will be discussing in that project phase. Now, after the successful completion of your project, after successfully completing, you would be given a certificate. Okay, we will get project completion certificate from 360DigiTMG, and this is also absolutely free, right? You can showcase it in your resume as well, and you can showcase the project that you have worked in your resume. And this is also completely free as well. The program is going to start from tomorrow, that is 20th September 2023. All you have to do is register for the program and share a proof of the training that you have accomplished. When I say proof, it should be a simple screenshot that would be more than enough of the training that you have taken. Either it is a professional training that you have done, or whether it is your academic project that you have worked on, or academic course that you have completed. Anything, it just need a proof. It could be a simple screenshot. Now the question is, where should I register? We will be sharing a link, a Google form link in the WhatsApp group. You might want to join the WhatsApp community. The link to the WhatsApp community will be shared on the chat window. You can click on it and then join the community. In the community, we will be sharing the Google form. And once you see the link, you can open it, and it is self-explanatory. Basic details are there: your name, right, your age of email ID, and then your screenshot. You'll have to upload an image. That's all. Right? This is the only prerequisite that we require. And once again, I'm repeating, it is for people who are already familiar with machine learning concepts and Python programming. For you people, it makes sense to join this particular program where you will be focusing on how do you deploy a trained model. And after model deployment, what should you do? If you are new to the machine learning world or data science world, then join the other program that we are doing, where people who are new to the data world, they will register and then they will take up a training program. When I say training program, they will be doing a training, machine learning model training in the project. That would be the activity. All right. So this is the plan, friends. And I wish the best for everybody. Right. And looking forward to connect with you all with respect to the program that we are going to initiate. And if you have any questions whatsoever, please bring up those questions. And I'll try to answer those to the best of the information that I have. Yeah, any questions? A duration of the videos would probably be 1 hour to max 2 hours, not more than that. A maximum of 2 hours. Any other questions, please? Okay, so let me any other questions, friends? If you want to share any questions, if you have any. All the three or each to us. See, each video that we will be sharing would be uh, spanning at a maximum of 3 hours. Typically, it would be 1 hour, 1.5 hour, like that. So in total, a max of 6 hours content would be shared with you. Maximum. It would be less than 6 hours, right? And you can basically, right, go through the videos. Majority of the stuff is already known to you. Okay, because we will be sharing Python related videos. We will be sharing the machine learning related concepts, and then we will be sharing the deployment related concepts videos. This deployment related videos would be new. We will be sharing the details in the WhatsApp, in the YouTube, in the chat. You can register to the community, and within the community, you'll get all the details. We'll right, share the details. No worries. Hmm. Just follow the instructions. You can join the community, and in the community, we will be sharing a Google form link. You can go through the Google form and then right, address those questions. I mean, the details which are requested, you can fill those things up. It depends on the performance of the individuals, right? We will do help students who are exceptionally performing, right, in the internship, completing all the work on the stipulated time. We will definitely help them with respect to their resume building and placement support. Yes, we do that, but for the deserving candidates. Now, I've already addressed that point, right? Placement for all the deserving candidates, we definitely support. Clearly depends on your performance. Now, we will share the link as I told, right? There are two programs that we are running. One is this program. The other one is scheduled to start in some time. You can follow, you can stay back on the YouTube channel and you can check the live session that is going to happen. Our team will also share the details. In the chat, they will share the details. Okay. All right, friends. So we will connect, right? This is just the beginning. Register to the community and get all the right details uploaded into the Google form, and then we'll begin our journey together. And it should be a fruitful journey. The objective is to ensure that you learn something new and we share our knowledge to the community so that right overall quality is improved. All right. So thank you so much, everyone. And I'll see you all in the other side. We'll try to connect in the next 20 days and right, we'll again interact on the project. Thank you.